A2 Vocabulary Quiz. In this pre-intermediate vocabulary quiz about speaking verbs, you will learn the meanings of different verbs related to speaking, such as say, tell, speak, talk, etc., and how to use them in a sentence. You have 25 questions to finish the quiz. Let's get started. I raised my hand to answer the teacher's question. Our boss has requested a meeting this afternoon. She was so angry that she started yelling at us. I rang the reception desk to ask for some clean towels. Mari's mother is from China, so she can speak Chinese well. Samuel said he was feeling tired. Why don't we open the window? Alina suggested. Can I come over after work? I need to talk to you. The woman told me that she was going to visit her brother. When she saw the snake, she screamed in terror. The teacher told the students to take out their geography books. The students complained that the teacher had given them too much homework. Julia raised her hand to ask the teacher a question. I could hear the angry woman shouting at her son. Harry said it was a secret, so I promised not to tell anyone. The child begged his mother to let him stay up late. I waited for her to reply to my question. Anna screamed when she saw the large snake moving towards her. Nick whispered a secret in Mike's ear. Why don't we eat in the garden tonight? Suggested Laura. Laura was learning to speak French. I think he's talking a lot of nonsense. Could you tell me the time, please? They asked their boss for more money, but he said no. He finally told me why he didn't accept the job. Share your score in the comments section. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe because more useful content is on the way. See you in our upcoming videos.